Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we are back again for another Mystery Monday. Yay for consistency. So today's going to be a bit different than usual. Normally I like to open about 3 packs because those are the ones I get in that Amazon listing that we always pull from. But if you saw the last video, we got pretty shit pulls, so I ended up wasting one of my packs that I had saved for this video today. So instead of only opening 2 and having a really short video, we have 5 today. We have a Rebel Clash, Guardians Rising, Sun and Moon, X and Y Fates Collide, and Crimson Invasion. Let's get right into the card opening. That's all I have to say. Yay! Starting off, we'll do the Sun and Moon base set. Alright. We have had one of these in the past. Again, as always, I don't know what we are looking for in any of these, but we're looking for the good pulls, the good cards, all of the above. All right, let's get there is the code card. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, starting off, Leaf Energy, Grand Bull, Double Colorless Energy, Pukamuku, Growlithe, Roggenrola, Cosmog, Litten, Psyduck, Arachnid, and if you saw the last video, you know how much I hate this thing. Next pack. We'll do Guardians Rising next. Alright, there is the card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, got Leaf Energy again, Tang, Kamala, Energy Lotto, Fantup, Halo, Whalmer, Thrubish. This one's actually a model. That's pretty cool looking. Jang Mo-O is our nothing. And Aether Paradise Conversation Area. Pretty cool looking card. And finally, Lilligant. We're good stuff. I'm not liking this trend right now, but got three more packs to turn it around. All right. Next, we're gonna do Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion. We'll get all the Alolan packs out of the way, and then we'll go into the other ones. God damn it! Why are these ones so hard to open? Sorry, I just got a message there. All right. There is the code card. Alright, Leaf Energy, Staravia, Psychic Memory, Esselgor, Minchino, Numel, Swinub, Swablu, Spoink, Gorgeist, and Komo-o. Not a holo, but I mean, kinda cool. Poggers. Alright, next we'll move on to Rebel Clash, get some newer cards going here. Let's see what we can pull. Damn it. Right. Here's the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, Fighting Energy, Beware, Palossand, Training Court, Honedge, Impidimp, Magmar, Electabuzz, Squat, Milo is our holo, and then Rillaboom VMAX. Luck's turned around, boys. Yeah, wow, pretty cool. I like this is my first Dynamax card, by the way. It's really cool looking. Ooh, shiny. Awesome. Well, I'm going to put it in one of my handy-dandy Pikachu, Gigantamax Pikachu sleeves. Keep her nice and safe. There we go. Good. Almost done. One more pack. Has it been good? Possibly with that? Yes. Alright. Final pack. We have X and Y Fates Collide with Mega Alakazam on the box. Don't let this man near your children. Alright. Here we go. I always like to get the X and Y packs just because they're pretty old, but they're the oldest I can get my hands on. I can't afford to get any of the fancy dancy base set packs. Yeah, all right. Audino Spirit Link, Wigglytuff, Helix Fossil Omnite, Gothita, Jigglypuff, Deerling, Riolu, Swinub, Riolu again is our Hollow, and then Snorlax. Yeah. Not the best ending, but an ending nonetheless. I'm a big fan of this boy. Yeah. Anyway, that's all the cards I have. Yeah, keep an eye out for the next video. I don't know when that'll be. Probably, if not this week, next Monday for the next Mystery Monday. Yeah. Bye, guys.